Alright, this is a Knapp Type D motor. It was, according to an electrical age that I saw in Google Books, it was introduced to the public in 1897, and that makes it the oldest motor in this shop. And it was given to me by Dennis, who until recently ran Beacon Electric Motor down in Keyport, but he retired. He gave this motor, and it was not in working condition. This is a battery motor of the inverted horseshoe type, and it is designed to work on 2 to 8 volts, and it was originally supplied with a 6-blade 8-inch fan. Down the road I might try to find a brass fan for it, and the wooden base, which I'm pretty sure is mahogany, is original to it. I spent part of today cleaning this up, and it is missing a brush. As you can see, the brush that remains is in fact a piece of copper. It's 3 pieces of 1/1000th inch thick copper with a small copper band holding them together that supplies power to the rotor through the commutator. But I cleaned up the contacts, and I'm going to try to reconnect this wire here. It just fell off. I'm supplying it power from my variable voltage DC supply, and I am being the second brush myself with a fanned out piece of wire, and that's currently set to 8 volts. So if I start this, we're at 8 volts. And I close the contact here just because I've got one hand, and here goes. Kind of rocking because it's missing part of its original foot. And in fact, if I were to weight this slightly, I would imagine here is my interior growler. I'd imagine it wouldn't make that noise. That sounds much better. Could also be just a little bit of slop in, well. Anyway, it's 1897 motor, and I now have it working, and sometime soon I'll get myself some copper foil, and I'll fabricate a second brush, and then it will work very nicely. Connect it to a 6-volt battery, and I'll have a nice little battery motor